All aboard, crew members and passengers. All aboard, crew members and passengers. Welcome back to the Passive D Life Express. It's your skipper, D Life. I'm late, but you guess what? It's better late than never. I know. Hopefully, you haven't gone to bed as yet. It's about 9 o'clock on my side of town. And I had to work late. And you know what? Got to keep these crypto content coming to my crew members and passengers every day. Shout out to PCS, who's also clicking that view button every time he gets a notification because he's clicked the bell. So make sure if you're new to today's video and you hop on board the vessel, click that bell, sub to the channel, leave me a comment, leave me a like. And talking about likes, man, we got some awesome likes over here on the Animal Farm update. As you can see, awesome views. So we got a lot of crew members and passengers out there that are still down with the Drip Network. I just want to say thank you. Shout out to you. Hey, let's get to 450. If you're new and you're watching that video and you stumbled on this video, give me a subscribe. Help me to get to 450. Let's get to 500 and let's get to 1,000. All right, crew members, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. We're talking about Pulse. D Life has been talking about Pulse, as you can see, for maybe about 8, 9, 10 months on my channel. I've always wanted to get into Pulse and Hex. I'm late, as you can see, 10 months ago, 9 months ago. So it's always been a need or a want of mine to get these cryptocurrencies in my wallet. That's right. So, crew members, if you want Pulse, you came to the new video. If you don't even want it, well, you learn about it and you will see how to get it fast and easy. Two-step process, actually three-step. If you're doing it my way, I'm going to go through it exactly the way I'm doing it, what all tools you need, and hop in. Let's get started. All right, so first thing you're going to need, crew members and passengers, is a MetaMask wallet. You got to have a MetaMask wallet. Download it for Chrome browser. Just Google it and you can add it to the browser. Boom, you're in and you're out. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to have to add the Pulse chain to your MetaMask wallet. You can click in my library and that video on how to get started with Pulse chain will be there, showing you how to get your Pulse chain network on your MetaMask wallet. All right, crew members. Next, for D-Life, I'm using my Tron link because I've got, actually, let's reject that for now. I've got Tron and I've got USDT, crew members. And as you can see, that spoiler alert right there, we're talking about Change Now. Crew members, Change Now I've been using, let's say, from last year. And it's been seamless and easy, convenient. That's what Change Now is all about. So you can register for Change Now if you do want to purchase Pulse or any other token that may be on another blockchain. You can come on over here and just swap, send, purchase, whatever you want to call it. You know, just purchase whatever you want. And you are good to go, crew members. And Pulse is now on the Change Now site. So, crew members, I will be using some of my USDT right now to purchase some Pulse. This is going to be easy. This is going to be live. We're going to do it live. Hopefully, this Pulse is going to hit the wallet quickly and long enough for the video so the video doesn't like go on all evening. We're going to do this. And then stay tuned for more Pulse content because I will be putting this Pulse to work. That's right. I'll be putting this to work, earning passive income, crew members and passengers. That's what it is all about. All right. So as you can see, we're getting 301,000 Pulse with our 30 USDT. I'm going to leave a little bit of USDT in my wallet. Always leave a little bit of crypto in your wallet. You never know for gas fees. It's the D-Life thing. Information, education purposes only, not financial advice. All right. We're going to put that PLS address in there. Not that. That is incorrect. That is not the right address. That PLS address is going to be the MetaMask wallet address. So we're going to copy that and paste that, and we're going to use the PLS address, the MetaMask wallet address, as the recipient. As you can see, that is where our PLS will be referred to, if that's the right word I'm using. It will be reverted from ChangeNow over to my MetaMask wallet. And I will be using my TronLink wallet to send the USDT over to ChangeNow. Simple, easy, just let the platform does what it did, and you are good to go. So we're gonna unlock my TronLink. As you can see, that's what I had up earlier, but I needed to save that for the video. I couldn't really do it with yeah, you know what it is. It is what it is. All right, so let's connect the wallet. All right, that should be done. And as you can see, deposit 30 USDC TRC20. So now we're going to copy this address and send that 30 USDT over to our TronLink. Over to our ChangeNow. So we're going to go over to the USDT here. We're going to go over to send. And we're going to paste that address right here. That is where we'll be sending it. Last 4 digits, Whiskey Yankee Kilo Papa. There we go, Whiskey Yankee Kilo Papa. We're going to add this to the address book. We're going to call it CHIO. Change now. Actually, NW. ChangeNow.io. All right, that's the name. And we're going to confirm that. All right, that is updated. Now we can go ahead and complete the transaction. We'll be certainly sending 30. Let's see. Let's send the 35. And let's send this 17 cents. No, we can't do that. We're going to just be sending 30. All right, there we go, crew members. So we're going to send 30 USDT over. And boom. Now here comes the drum roll. They're going to charge a 26 Tron fee, which is kind of high. That is the only discrepancy that I have with TRX, TronLink. The gas fees in TRX is ridiculous. Energy and bandwidth, they charge you all of these fees. What's the gentleman's name? CZ or not CZ? The little guy? Yeah, we need to fix that, but it is what it is. All right, it's out. So that's 26 Tron out of my 147 balance. I did lose a lot of Tron in some TGEM plays, but you know what? It is what it is. Hopefully, now we'll be able to make some of that TRX back with this USDT that we're going to be using, as I'm going to use this Pulse to earn passive income, crew members and passengers. And you're going to stay tuned if you want to see how D-Life is going to be using the Pulse chain now as a totally different new blockchain slash dApps slash opportunities on this channel. That's pretty much maybe going to be just a chapter within itself on my channel, the Pulse Chain blockchain network. And we'll be looking at a totally different, just totally different projects where we're not used to on the Passive DLife Express. So if you're new, and if you're old, and if you're medium, then stay tuned to the new content if you are interested in the Pulse chain. All right, crew members, so there we go. That crypto is sent. Now we're going to look, awaiting deposit. We will get 304,000 PLS. And we're going to make sure that that has been sent over here. Oh, it's still here. It hasn't been sent as yet. All right, boom, there we go. Your deposit of 30 USDT is being confirmed. All right, crew members. And hopefully it's going to take 2 to 15 minutes. We're going to wait here for 2 minutes. And in the meantime, while we're waiting on this 2 minutes, I'm just gonna occupy this time. I hope this video doesn't freeze. I'm hoping that this will not freeze. Please, Lord, don't let the video freeze. Let the crypto be in the wallet in 2 minutes. We'll change now. Do what you have to do because we don't want to make this video long for the crew members and passengers. We want that pulse in the wallet. Then we can end the video. So while we're waiting on that, I'm going to collect some free Ripple over here on Karen.co. That's right. Yes, I'm still using the faucets, crew members and passengers, and collecting this free crypto. Just clicking a few buttons and we're good to go, in and out. So in the meantime, you're seeing how easy it is to get Pulse now using Change Now. Stay tuned to more how to purchase Pulse. I do have other ways. I'll probably be doing a top 5, a top 7 video on the ways to purchase Pulse right now in 2023 June, and those passive income opportunities on Pulse. Of course, my goal is to get at least 1 million Pulse working in the market for me. That is about $100 in USDT. So it is what it is. I'll feel like a Pulse millionaire because I've got 1 million Pulse. Yeah. And hopefully I can move on to 10 million and maybe even 100 million Pulse. As you know, that's gonna be a lot. But we never know where the crypto market could go, and we never know where Bitcoin could go and where the Bitcoin can be in order to put ourselves in that position. So, I'm right here talking, and I forgot to verify. All right, crew members, so this should be done soon. We're just going to solve, and then we're going to jump back on Change Now. So we're going to solve the captcha. I need faster internet. All right, I am a human. I'm not a human. I am a human. And we're gonna look for the animals, click the animals, and then boom, next. Click the other animals, and then verify. Now, the link is in the description for Change Now if you want to use it. And again, like I said, that's not the only way. I'll be doing a video, but of course, Change Now is my favorite. And I will also possibly be demonstrating some other ways live, doing some other live purchases in order for you to have more than one option. But we're going to see which will be my number one. For now, because I've only used Change Now, it is number one. But when we do preview those other options, then we will put it together and see which one will be number one. All right, so 123 Satoshi went to my account. Now we're going to check the process. All right, crew members, there we go. We're exchanging, and we're going to get that 304,000 PLS in our wallet. That is what I am talking about. Could you imagine having 304,000 hex back then when $50 was getting you, I think, maybe 1 million hex or 100,000 hex? Yeah, crazy, right? Yeah, I wish I was there back then. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, crew members. So this is still waiting to be exchanged, and in the meantime, let's look at the chart. And don't know how long this video has gone on for now, but as you can see, crew members, we'll look and see how much our fees were. I was doing some conversions here before I started the video, and I was making sure I was getting somewhat of a good deal. And yeah, so at $30 we would be getting, so we got like about, if we do get that 304,000, then we have been charged 11,000 pulse. And 1% of 300, 10% would be 31,000. So that is about 5% in gas fees, I would say. Maybe 4%, not in gas fees, in fees in order to use the exchange. So that is their fee that they took out. Because as you can see, we're not getting the actual bank for the buck. But hey, easy, not complaining. Just a few seconds. And just waiting for this to do what it does. All right, crew members, let's go. Let's look at the chart in the meantime. Waiting for the chart to populate. Everything is slow right now. Yep, the fan is gone again and the computer is running hard. I really want this crypto to hit the wallet before the video is over. This video is live. I'm not pausing it. And just looking forward to branching into the Pulse chain, blockchain, and the Pulse network, and earning some passive income and building up those Pulse bags for maybe one day Pulse going to a penny or 10 cents or even 50 cents like Hex. Maybe, maybe, we don't know. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just refresh, because maybe this could be behind and the Pulse could be in the wallet, and we're just rambling on. The Pulse is already there, and we're good to go. Nope, not there as yet. Still waiting for the exchange. Okay. And I think we're gonna have to end the video, crew members. Yep, this is taking just a little bit too long. It usually takes just a few seconds, but as you can see, it could still take 2 to 15 minutes. So as much as I don't want to end this video, I'm going to end it. And we'll come back tomorrow with the Pulse in my wallet and showing you how to purchase more Pulse, or showing you the new passive income opportunities on the Pulse chain network. D-Life here, over and out. Stay safe with your crypto. Like, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff. Peace.